Welcome to Dalfin. In this video, we'll learn how to customize Dalfin without writing any code. Dalfin is designed as a powerful no-code and low-code platform. This means you can configure and build complete enterprise systems using visual tools without traditional programming. At the center of this customization capability is the BrainGrid Controller. BrainGrid acts as the core design environment where your system structure, data schema, and framework are created and managed. It is where you define how your system operates and how different components connect to one another. Using Window Manager, you can design windows, create and manage fields, define relationships, and control how data is structured. To adjust how users interact with the system, you can use the View Manager to control layouts, actions, and display behavior. For automation and business logic, the Process Orchestrator Builder allows you to configure triggers, events, and conditions that define how processes run automatically. By combining Window Manager, View Manager, and Process Orchestrator Builder within BrainGrid, you can modify layouts, add functionality, define permissions, and automate operations, all without technical coding knowledge. Customization in Dalfin focuses on intelligent configuration rather than manual programming, making enterprise application development faster, more accessible, and highly efficient. Thank you.